It doesn't matter what you're going through. No matter what the storms, the trials and tribulations, but you must understand ukuthi ukhona ukamva. You do not understand what I am doing now, but later on, surely you will understand. But you must always remember there is a later on. After he has tested you, you shall come out pure as gold. Wipe those tears away. Don't lose hope and never give up. It is not yet over. There is nothing impossible with God. But okwangoka ukaqondi. Okwangoka. Ngoba nalesimo ojongene naso. Igama laso nguzegqitha. Bombelela. Uhlale ekholweni. Ngoba ndiyazi ukhona ukamva. Okwangoku awukaqondi. Okwangoku. Kodwa nalesimo ojongene naso. Sinike igama uthi ngusegqitha. Because sizodlula sishintsikelele. Uhlale ekholweni. Ngoba ndiyazi ukhona ukamva. Ukhona ukamva. You can sing with us. Uthi awukaqondi, awukaqondi. Okwangoku. Ngoba nalasimo ojongene naso. Sinike igama uthi ngusegqitha. Surely it shall come up to pass. Uhlale ekholweni. Ngoba ndiyazi ukhona ukamva. Don't lose hope and never give up. It shall be well. Minister, my daughter. Let's minister. Ngoba nalesimo ojongene naso. Usegqitha. Just hold on. I know there is a later on. Wipe those tears away. Just hold on.
I don't care what situation you're in right now, but the Lord is here for you.
Yes.
He's a God of restoration.
Hallelujah.
He will take you out of your situation, no matter what it is. Know that God is here for you. Know that God will help you. Know that God will help you. Dia